to DIY Solar Homestead. So, a couple things happening. I got a new muffler for the van. My friend put it on. I overpaid him so I could have other things done here soon. So here's the sky. We might get a little bit of sunshine, but barely. It doesn't look too thick yet. It's 10:30 in the morning, and I'm going to take you downstairs. So I went ahead and I put a different charge controller on there. I don't understand it. There's 2 buttons on it. And I got that from Southern Ohio Solar Homestead. Thank you, brother. So I will call him in a little bit and see how to do that. I got it to where it says 24 volts. But what I'm also going to do is I'm going to put a watt meter on there. So then the watt meter will tell me how much voltage or watts, amps is going through to the battery bank. And someday I need to get me another Outback. A lot of people don't necessarily use the Flex Max. There's another one. I can't think of the name of it right now, but I got that for $800. Southeastern Ohio Solar Haven told me they are a little bit cheaper if you know where to go. So yeah, maybe I won't go get the solar panels. I was hoping to get a whole bunch of solar panels, but I'm now starting to think with reality, life gets in the way, other things happen, but maybe I'll save up and go on another time. So I don't think many people know of these panels. I just thought it was a beautiful opportunity to run out there and just snatch them all up. But I don't have I don't have enough money to get very many. If I do, I need to get them in pairs so I can wire the 2 of them in series, every 2 of them in series, and that would be another charge controller. Because that's not the same watts. So each set of panels pretty much need their own charge controller. Yeah, I'm brainstorming, trying to get it all worked out in my head. I'm trying to make it all work together. And if I just continue buying 245 watt solar panels, I can add them all into this. The old Harbor Freight charge controller, I could get all 8 solar panels onto that. That's going to go onto the other battery bank in the back. Which reminds me, I need to get over there and work on that. This is Sunday. I've been doing admin stuff, and I still haven't gotten out to watch all of y'all's videos yet. It's been a while, but yeah, I'm busy, and you know I'm gonna get caught up. There's Farmer G. He made a comment the other day, and I haven't seen his channel in a while. I need to get over there and get caught back up. And the rest of you, yes, and I thank you for being valuable supporters, supporters watching all my videos. I greatly appreciate. And this year I'm going to take it, this next year I'm going to take this YouTube channel to a whole nother platform. So all the things that I love to do, all the things that I love to share, I'm throwing fitness in there as well. And I'm just going to rock this to a whole nother level. See, I retired the Army Reserves with 27 years. 10 of that was active duty. That should be a nice paycheck. I got a full-time job now with a 401k. So that'll be 2. Now, YouTube channel, maybe it'll get big enough for a 3rd retirement income. And if I get a website going and start putting links in there, then maybe that could be a 4th But I just want to be secure with the new weather that we're going to get in the next couple years. Don't let that blow your mind what the weather changes are going to do and be. Just start growing your own food, making your own electricity, and always remember, stay fit and always, always be awesome. And with that, you have a nice sunny day or a cloudy day, solar day.